Good morning and welcome to this online platform. This morning we are here to do justice to the remaining elements of drama. Remember, in our last lesson we were able to explain what elements of drama is, and then we went further to talk about the plot and the theme. So I suppose you still remember our discussions as regards this. Today we will be talking about setting and characters. The first one for today, setting. In literature, when you mention setting, what does it mean? What comes to your mind? We say that setting is the place and time of an event. Remember I said in literature, we refer to setting as the place and time of an event. Now, when a drama is being acted, or when you're reading a play, every action, every event that takes place there has a particular time and a particular place where it is happening. Now, that place or the time is what we refer to as setting. If you're reading a book, if you're reading a play, or if you're seeing a movie, every scene, the scene I'm talking about now is this. Every scene is set in a particular place. It is either that it is something happening in a room, or that it is something happening in a market, or that this event is taking place in a church, or that this event is taking place in a school. Whenever you talk about setting, setting talks about the place. Where is that event happening? And at what time is it happening? Is it in the evening? Is it at night? Is it at 10 o'clock? Whenever you're talking about setting in literature, remember that setting talks about nothing more than the place and the time of an event. Now, this setting has two major types. They are, the first one, the temporal setting. Temporal as an adjective is used to point attention towards something that has to do with time. Therefore, temporal setting is that setting that talks about time specifically. And the second one is the spatial setting. The spatial setting is the aspect of setting that focuses on the place. If you're just asked about setting, setting talks about the place and the time. But then if you want to differentiate time from place, this is where you then have to use these adjectives that are here. The temporal setting talks about the time, and the spatial setting talks about the place.